All right, guys, this is what we're doing. We're putting a raised bed together, and it's so friggin' easy. This is going to be a quick video. Literally, here's your tools. You got a wing nut, and you got a bolt. That's it. Literally right here, look, it just spins on with your finger. It comes with a screwdriver. You almost don't even need it. Put the screwdriver on the other side, just like this, and hold it. And this is a one-person job. It's so easy, guys. Comes with directions in the box and gloves. The gloves to me are too thin. I don't want them. The directions literally just say what I told you. You have the pieces right here. You have 3 end pieces. You have 2 side pieces. Repeat it again. 2 side pieces, 3 end pieces. Very good size. I'm liking it. It even has the support bars right here that I haven't even opened yet to put in. I've seen so many of these things and put so many raised beds together, but I got to tell you, this is about the easiest friggin' one I've ever seen in my life. I'm getting a lot more. They must have used magic because, like, I was scratching it with the nuts and the bolts and the wing nuts and all that, but it's not scratching. So I guess whatever coating they put on this is like friggin' magic. It doesn't mark. On the inside for the cross members, you want to go 1 down and skip 2 from the bottom and up. This is going to give the best stability so this doesn't bow out when you fill it with dirt. To show you the wing nuts right there, I left these 2 undone. You just put the wing nuts right there. See how it's overlapped, just like that? Real simple. It couldn't be easier to put this together, guys. Of course, I have to put this in place now and fill it full of dirt. I like the width on this. This is super wide. Very good. I love it right there. Guys, I'm just going to say one thing right here. That's it. That's all you need to know. As always, my reviews are true and honest. If I don't like the product, I'll send it back. I'm not sending this back. I'm ordering more. I need to fill up a whole garden spot full of these things. So friggin' easy to put together. Click the link and get yours. Highly recommend this one.